We're going to take a look at three modern popular pocket pistols. This one's the Ruger LCP, the new 380. This one is the newest, the Ruger LC9, which is a 9mm, which is modeled after the Kel-Tec PF-9. Again, one of the thinnest 9mm pistols available. The newest one, however, is the Ruger LC9, which is a scaled up version of the LCP. It's modeled after the PF-9. You can see a lot of similarities there, and from a few feet away, most people wouldn't know much of a difference between these two. There are, of course, some minor and some more substantial differences between them, and we'll take a look at those in this video. From external standpoint, one of the more obvious difference is the rail, the accessory rail on the Kel-Tec PF-9. They didn't choose to go with that on the Ruger, so it's in that respect a lot closer to its smaller cousin, the LCP. You can see again, as far as width, they're both very narrow. They use a single stack 7-round magazine. The LC9 is just 1 inch longer and 1 inch taller than that smaller LCP. The sight pictures are pretty much similar. Trigger guards and grips are very similar between the LC9 and the PF9. When we put them on a scale with their empty magazines, the LC9 came in at 1 pound, 1 point something ounces, while the PF9 came in at just 14.6 ounces, so just a bit lighter in weight. Just for comparison, we put the LCP on there, which came in at about 9.5 ounces. There are a couple of internal differences between the two. The PF9 has a hammer block safety and a long trigger pull, and that's its major safety precautions. With the LC9, there are quite a few more. Of course, there's the external safety, there's also a magazine safety, and then an internal locking safety. It also has a loaded chamber indicator up at the top of the pistol that's clearly labeled. And taking a look at the magazines here, the magazine from the PF9 does seem to lock in and work with the LC9, where the LC9 magazine won't even lock into place on the PF9. Now, we didn't have these out to the range, so we're not sure if rounds will feed through the Kel-Tec magazine in the Ruger, but it does seem to fit and hold the slide back. There are a lot more options available with the PF9 at this point as far as colors and finishes on the slide. It can come with a chrome slide, with a parkerized slide, or with a blue slide. It can come in an array of colors. The Ruger at this point just comes in all black. The external safety on the Ruger is a selling point for some people, while the Kel-Tec's lack of an external safety is again a selling point for some people. So we took a look here at the two different options for a narrow single stack 7+1 option for the 9mm pocket pistol. Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.